Hello beautiful people, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's edition we'll be learning how to make this Kojic deep bathing soap for skin lightening and skin brightening. If you want to brighten your skin to a bit, not bleaching but like toning up your skin, this soap is for you. It will give you that brighter and beautiful skin. And this particular soap is very good for sensitive skin. So first of all, I brought out my caustic soda and the oil that I'm going to use for this production. The oil that I'm going to use nothing less than our almighty coconut oil and sunflower oil. You can add a little bit of palm kernel oil, PK oil if you have one, yes, to lessen the price of it, because this coconut oil and sunflower oil are always expensive, but you can add it up PKO oil for it to make it to be kind of cheaper. Yes, you know, PK oil helps in kind of leathering. It helps the soap to leather very well, so that is why I incorporated it in these oils. And this is my caustic soda. I've dissolved it. The measurement of this soap, the recipe is on the screen. Yes, check it on the screen. I will drop it there, so use your pen and paper and write it out in case if you want to make the soap. And this is our Kojic dip that we are going to use for this production. Kojic dip is good for sensitive skins, brighten your skins, is in key ingredients for this soap productions. It's lightening your skin, it helps your skin to fight what is it called, acne. Yes, so I'm going to dissolve it with a little bit of water like you see me doing. So like I said, I'm going to drop the recipe on the screen, so you use your pen and paper and copy it out for any kind of soap. This is you making your soap from the scratch. This is a cold press soap. You're making it from the scratch. And mind you, after making this soap, you have to leave it for 2 weeks before using it. You know, you're dealing with your skin. Yes, you have to leave it for 2 weeks to 3 weeks before using it. This one is not the one you're using for laundry soap that if I tell you to keep it for 2 weeks, you will not keep. Please, this is your skin. You have to take care of it. And this is my essential oils. This is my lavender oil and argan oil. All these oils are good for skin. If there is anyone you can see in your environment, you can use it. Essential oil is essential oil, anyone, and it has a very good aroma, a good scent. This is my mold. And because I'm using essential oil, I will not be adding perfume in my soap, because that essential oil will act like a perfume. And if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to this channel and like this video, and tell me if you're going to make this soap. So this is me adding my oil in my caustic soda solution, and this is very easy to make. I'm going to add the oil, and yes, and I'm going to add my Kojic dip in I will incorporate it. I'll add it like so. Then I will now add glycerin for moisturizing. After this, I will turn it very well and add my essential oil like you see me doing. Yes, I will turn everything, and then param, I will add my glycerin. You can see when I'm adding glycerin is for moisturizing, to moisturize your skin. And this is a very rich soap, and it will brighten your skin. With this Kojic dip is milder to the skin. For sensitive skin, you're good to go. Yes, if you want to learn how to make skincare formulation, we have ebook and we have classes for it. The classes is available. Chat me on the WhatsApp number on the screen so that we can talk better. Please don't call me on phone, just chat me on WhatsApp, so that if you want to enroll in the class, you will enroll. We have skincare class, laundry soap formulation, we have the class, we have a bathing soap class and all that. So anyone you want to enroll, just chat me on so that we will link you up with the class. Yes. So this is me pouring it in my mold. While making your soap, ensure that your mold is ready before making your soap. Not after making your soap you start running around to go and get your mold. No, ensure that your mold is ready, and that is exactly what I did. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel up to this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. So I'm going to leave this for, I think, 24 hours. I left it for 24 hours. Yes, to sit for 24 hours. Yes, I'm going to leave it to sit for 24 hours, and after that I'm going to remove it like I'm doing now. Yes, it has molded and I'm going to remove it. If you have, this is a silicone mold. If you have other mold that will give it a nicer and beautiful look, you can buy it and use for your bathing soap. So this is me bringing it out, and this is how beautiful it is. Yes, can you see it? Very, very beautiful. So after that I'm going to package it. I think I have a video where I showed you guys how to package your soap. So this is a nylon, I think chinchin nylon. Yes, it's a chinchin nylon. You can use it to package it. So I'm going to make sure that I put everything inside, and watch me as I do it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this point, please do so and subscribe to this channel. And making your bathing soap is very beautiful. It saves you a lot of money. You know, this in this channel is either you make money or you save money. We teach you how to save your money. You can make this soap and sell. I think I make this soap, I made this soap one time ago. I think it's a mentholated soap that I made. Yeah, after making the soap I took it to one woman. Yes, in my environment, this woman still asks me for soap. Please bring bathing soap. My children love this bathing soap, bring it for us. I'll be like, yeah, I will bring. So it's fast selling. My bathing soap is fast selling. It's people that demand for it. Please, I need soap. So after making it, you have to leave it for 2 weeks before packaging it. I just package it now for you to see how I did it for your marketing, if you want to sell it and all that. That is why I packed it now, which I will still remove in the nylon. Thank you for watching. Bye.